Hello and welcome to my haul. I got one shipment of from USA, and these are my household things, so especially toiletries items or inside stuff. That's why. So I'll tell you some of the stuff. I'll show you actually some of the stuff. So this is Damp Reed Freshen Hanging Moisturizer Absorber 3-pack. So this is a 3-pack. Trust me, for today's shipment, I paid, I think, 1/4 of the price cost for the weight. This stuff is hell heavy, man. This stuff is hell heavy. I don't know, probably at least almost a kilo. What does it do? It is moisture absorbing, and this is for my bathroom because my bathroom is really small, and I wanted to buy a dehumidifier, but later on I felt like that will be quite hassle to put up because my plug point is somewhere and my bathroom is small, so it will be really hard to put up. So this one cost me something around $9, I think. I bought it from 8.64. I bought it from Walmart, and I want to show you in front of the camera that how does it look like. In my country, many people doesn't know what does it do. So in the bathroom, if moisture if it's wet or moisture creates, you'll get small insect, which is quite disturbing. So, oh my God, these are quite big, man. So Damp Reed, gosh, these are quite big. This is huge. God. Okay. I think this will work for how many days it said. I don't know. Oh my God. It didn't say how many days. Did it say? I think I have seen somewhere it said. I don't know. Okay, so what I will do is I'll hang one and I'll check how many days it takes to, collect the water. So I think that will be a great idea. And this is the cheapest way to, do something for the dehumidifier inside the room. So this is the first product, moisture absorber. If you need inside your bathroom, if your bathroom is wet, humid, it's not drying, use one of these. So the next product is another interesting. You might think what this lady is doing with all those toilet items, toiletries. So this is what? This is a toilet bowl cleaning stamp. So how does it work? I'm not going to open it over here because I need to work on the bathroom. I need to clean the bathroom. Then I need to put it up. So this cost me almost $7. And this is a rain shower fresh gel, and this is 20 weeks freshness. So what you do, there's a liquid, not liquid, it's a gel type thing is inside. You put the stamp inside and put it on your toilet bowl, and it will stick there where the less water runs. It will stick there for how many weeks? 20 weeks. Okay, it's at 20 weeks. So one dispenser, 12 stamps. So you can actually stamp for 12 times because it's gel and it has cover. This is the best part. It has cover. I did order from another one in another version, another company, and that didn't came in my hand yet. Probably it will come day after tomorrow. That's what I'm suspecting. All my shipments are coming all together. It's quite disturbing. And yeah, so this is what it will keep your toilet fresh. So I can't show you how does it stamp right now because I need to clean my toilet. So you must be thinking like, oh, you're living in Bangladesh and buying stuff from outside. You know what? These things we don't get here. And sometimes when I go abroad, I do bring these kind of things. These are not available in my country. I have to collect them from outside. No way, no other way. If there was any way, definitely I would try that. That would be much cheaper for me, right? Next product is another. I have very less right now. Hi. What is it? So this is a Scrubbing Bubbles Continuous Clean Drop-ins. A 1 toilet bowl cleaner tablet lasts up to 4 weeks. I have a great doubt for that. 3 blue discs. So these discs you need to put inside your water tank of the commode or the toilet. And it will work for 4 weeks. That's what it said. I'm sure it's not 4 weeks. 4 weeks means 1 month for one tablet. By the way, these are quite big. I have seen the reviews. People said these are quite big. See? These are quite big. They have 3. So it cost me $4 from Walmart, 3.28. But you have to pay the shipping, blah, blah, blah. So what you do is like you flush the toilet, the tanks get clean, you put the tablet, take off the packaging and put the tablet over there, and then let the tank, you know, fill up the tank with water, and it will be there in water for 1 month. It's the claim of the company. So this is a scrubbing bubbles. So what it's every time you flash, it will help to clean. The previous one, what I showed, it is for the odor. It is for the odor. Every time you will flash, it will give some, you know, the freshness or the fragrance. This is for the fragrance, clean, fresh, and this is for cleaning. I'm not saying that cleaning toilet without these things is a, what do you call it? This is a cheating option. No, I have to clean my toilet bowl. Of course, toilet makes germified our, you know, that area. So we have to clean, but these are for the continuous cleaning. This, you're putting a tablet inside your water tank doesn't mean you're not going to clean your toilet. Nothing like that. So this is it. Another one is, another one, same thing, toilet cleaner. These are with the bleach. So with the bleach, how much is it? It's $6. It is a bit on the expensive side. They have 3 packs. That means same 3 tablets. I don't know. Are their discs are bigger? I don't know. They have shown a little bit of diagram, right? So I read the reviews. This has better review. Cleaner toilet. Toilet is something you should take seriously, because toilet is a place where if it's not clean, you will get so many diseases, and those are quite dangerous. One of them is urine infection, so keep your toilet clean and fresh. Now, some other product. One new product I saw. I needed the face wash. I don't know why did I buy one. I have no idea. This is what? Garnier Green Lab. Okay, these are vegan products. Vegan products? Why did I say that? Yes, these are vegan products. I like Garnier products, and these are vegan product, and the plastic in this tube is made from 20% recycled material. I could be very, very happy if it was fully from the recycled product. You know, we're using too many plastics which are not good. No sulfates, microbeads, parabens, and dyes. Vegan formula, no animal derived ingredients, with vitamin C and pineapple. And now these days I'm using a lot of pineapple. And brightening gel wash. So what happened all of a sudden? I don't know why. I think it's because of the winter is coming, my skin suddenly became dark. So I thought, like, why don't I get something a little bit lightening? That will be better. So I got this one. So how much does it cost? It costs $10, $9.99. I don't know why it's so expensive. Garnier item, I think it's because of the vegan product and less harsh. I think that's why. And it is a bit bigger. I'm feeling it's a bit bigger because 130 ml, so it will go at least 1.5 months for me if I'm using every day. So, and it's a gel, so I hope a little bit will go a long way. So let's see. I haven't used it, I haven't opened it, but I have another product probably very few of you have seen in the internet because I haven't seen it recently anywhere. Oh, sorry. So this is a micellar water, and this is with vitamin C all-in-one brightening. You know, if you're a Garnier user, I think for many years you're watching, Garnier is making the Garnier yellow packaging cream, which is the brightening cream, which is sold in India the most. So this is a version of micellar water, and trust me, I have used it today afternoon. I have opened it and I have used it a bit on my cotton pad, and this works, man. It brightens, it tightens and brightens your skin. It's a very good cleansing water. I took off my makeup with it and I think it's nice. It's light, it's nice, dull skin. No, I don't think it worked on the dull skin, but it brightened my skin, of course. No oil, no alcohol, no fragrance. This is from the vegan line. Yes. This is a vegan formula. That's the best part. And how much does it cost? This line is quite expensive. This one costs $7. This is a 13.5 FL. Quite big. And I just used it once and I think it's a good one. With that price range, and of course it's Garnier item, can't go wrong. So yeah, and that's it from my side. My haul, I couldn't put it up together because there were, like, the box was quite big because I don't know how much you can understand from the camera, but that was quite big. Anyways, that's it from my side. If you have any question, I understand these are very small things, but if you like to know a little bit more, if someone from my country, I'm sure the people from USA, Australia, or UK, they know these things quite well. In my country, we do have the cleaning items. I'm a bit obsessive cleaner, that's why I do bring stuff from outside, and I do pay a lot of heavy duty weight charge for these things, God. Anyways, that's it from now. See you later. Bye. And please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.